Set both my feet flat on the deck. Fucking willies will be bent.
He's got the low chassis one, eh? Aye. Ah, fuck. Just well open the visor.
What's that?
Sneezed there, eh? I had to open the visor so it didn't get fucking splattered.
Not a nice sight.
No. I will need to get your bike serviced soon. Fuck out, that will be soon then.
Right.
We'll get that service. We'll just do it in house, Alec. No point putting it into Motorrad.
I'm not going to sit with it.
Nah. Nah, I'll service it. We can do that as well, that's not a problem.
Just an oil change?
Yeah. Oil and filter. Probably about 60 quid on parts. For oil.
You charge me about fucking 400 quid or something.
Aye, I know, I'll only charge you 5. Cupars.
A Hayabusa's big orange one in the window.
When I was working in Dundee, this was the way I used to come up in the morning.
This way?
This place hasn't really changed that much.
Nah, Cupar is now. The sign there saying free electric charging. How can it be fucking free? Some cunt's going to pay the electricity company.
Yeah, taxpayer. You get nothing for nothing in this world.
That guy and he was telling me, I don't know where he said he was. He went to charge his car 68 pence a kilowatt.
Unreal, eh? You're cheaper just buying fuel, petrol, diesel.
Well, it must have ended up £35 to fill his car. He said, I fucking sold the fucker.
Aye. Well, there's my car, eh? All the way from Livingston down to Gainsborough and back up the road. Half a tank.
Aye. Oh, I can't even see the lights.
Aye, they're red now.
I'm bang on this line, I can see it now.
I can't see that one right enough. I can't see that light.
Yeah.
And I'm back. We wait all winter for the summer, eh? And then when the summer comes, it's crap.
I know. It's no stopped us though.
No, it hasn't.
Fuel economy is 61.4.
That's good, eh?
That's for a big beast though, that's eh?
Yeah.
What the fuck's the traffic lights on?
God only knows. Working in that field. What a shite.
Isn't it?
I know. health and safety, dear. It's like the fucking clowns at Morrison's Utilities. And mind when they put up the traffic lights in your street, and they were working in the middle of a fucking row of houses in the garden. They didn't last long. I made sure the fucking lights were removed within the hour.com.
Good as well, isn't it?
Aye, I just got my phone, my contact at the council. It deals with roads there. I already check if they've got a TTRO, and they never permission,
T-Bridge.
Yeah, man. Fucking busy,
Acres behind us. The main road for Sanders to take.
Busy wee stretch,
That is it.
Everywhere you go, it's fucking roadworks, But they're actually fixing the road, that's the thing,
Best discovery.
Mm-hmm.